This comprehensive online course is beneficial for those who want to understand how the UK payroll system works, what is manual payroll, benefits in kind, computerized systems and total photo scenarios. You will learn how to find software per HMRC Brightpay, install Brightpay, add employees and understand monthly schedules in detail. This online course will equip you to have a solid understanding of Directors' Night, reports, HMRC Paye, RTI submissions, coding notices, levers, AEO, and much more. Learning outcomes. By the end of the course, you will learn what is manual payroll in the UK payroll system. Learn how to install Brightpay. Learn how to add employees to Brightpay. Understand what is payroll settings. Get familiar with terms such as Directors' Night, reports, RTI submissions, 102 schedules, and AEO. Learn what is pay tax, NI2, pensions, payslips, and journal entries. Why choose this course? Endorsed by Quality License Scheme. Certified by CPD. Accredited by the International Practitioners of Holistic Medicine, IPHM. Lifetime access. High-quality e-learning study materials. Self-paced, no fixed schedules. 24/7 customer support through email. Available to students anywhere in the world. By the end of the course, you will have a deep knowledge of pay, tax, NI, Brightpay, and the UK payroll system. So, what are you thinking about? Start getting the benefits by enrolling today.